Get ready. Oh. 14 under. 14 under. No coaching po tayo, no coaching.
Madulas dito ah.
Oh.
Kesa dun.
Saglit lang, kuya. Hintayin natin yung sa kabila. This is the quarterfinal. 40 under. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Begin. Change ball. Change ball.
Sayang oras pare. Dapat may ready na agad na bola. Kaya Jade, kaya Jade. Nakita ko na. Lumingoy, stepping. Nice one.
Stepping on the line on number 3.
Kaya iwan ni Jade. Ay, nagpalit, nag-switch.
Oh, medic sa kabilang court. Court 2, medic.
Masyadong malayo.
Number 2, rebounding.
Solo.
So number 2. 6 seconds. Jake on the ball. Fernandez.
Madulas pare.
Labas mo. Tira.
Eh, huwag yung ipilit, huwag yung ipilit, huwag yung ipilit. Nako, nag-switch.
Okay.
Piso-piso lang, para sure.
30 seconds to play.
Kaya oh, iwan oh. Ay,
Ano mo?
labas na agad.
Being by
Oh, libre na.
Tira. Kuha Jade, madulas. Hey, hey!
2 points by number 2.
Good! Ano ba yan?
Who's ball? Pink
Tikitan mo,
ball.
tikitan mo.
7 minutes and 50 seconds to play.
Nag-switch.
3 seconds violation for number 3.
Hey, gawa kayo boys! Gawa kayo boys!
Next game, Black Bulls, Ipinal versus Critical, fourth one. 7 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Wolves versus Dex. Number 4, foul third.
Huwag yun napulin. Nice one.
Black
Ang
Bulls.
dulas ng court. Hey, later na, later na, later na. Patay.
7 minutes to play.
Atake Jade. Tulungin mo, boy.
Black
Okay lang, yan mo na.
foul number 2.
All
6 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Foul on number 1.
Dulas.
Black ball.
Hindi sila maka Bigay mo! Nice one. Buti na lang. Up, amen.
Outside on pink.
Sab muna. Black ball!
6 minutes and 5 seconds. Nice shot by number 3. 2 points on number 2.
Last.
Sorry. Traveling on number 2. Big ball. 1 point only. Stepping on the line. Holding foul. Unsportsmanship foul on number 3.
Sayang pare.
5 minutes and 20 seconds to play. 3 ball.
Sayang. Hey, sab na muna.
5-3 in favor of pink.
Hey, bigay mo. Atake, Jade. Uy! Woo! Kaya, spinan mo na, boy.
4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time to play.
Eh, bilisan nyo.
Sub.
Jade, atake. Nice one.
Father on number 4.
Patay kayo dyan.
2 points on numbers
Sayang oras, pare. Kunin nyo.
8-4 in favor of pink.
Okay.
Apple black. Time to play. 3 and 45 seconds.
Uy, wag. Pinilit. Huwag niyo pilitin, pare.
3 seconds on number 3. Black ball. Shoelace. Number 4.
Ay, sus!
Sub.
Ano ba yan? Umupo ka na nga.
Time out.
Umupo ka na nga eh.
Three minutes and 10 seconds to play. Back to the ballgame.
Mahirapan sila dyan.
Black ball.
Set, bigay mo!
Go!
Shot clock violation.
Kaya naman.
Ba't tumama naman sa ring?
2 minutes and 35 seconds.
Wala na. Woo!
Sub number 4. Labas number 4. Tuck in. Warning for technical. 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pakiayos takin para hindi kayo palamasin.
Foul on number 3. Black ball. Last 2 minutes. Nice drive by Fernandez.
Kaya, sayang oras, pare.
1 minute and 40 seconds to play.
Hey, bigay mo!
1 minute and 40 seconds to play. What a press.
Kaya!
7. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Foul on number 1. 1 minute and 2 seconds to play. 55 seconds to play. Seconds to play. 40 seconds. Free throw. Release. Count it. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Tira mo, Jay.
15 seconds. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Sayang.
3, 2, 1.
Sayang yung technical.
Nice game.